So, you guys are going to be on an infomercial trying to sell us a new miracle product that cures snoring, but you have to use everything in the box as part of the pitch for the commercial. Take it away whenever you're ready, Ryan and Colin.
Hey! Turn on the lights, put on your pants, it's time to shop, shop, shop.
Do you have a snoring problem?
Oh, I do.
I bet. Do airports complain when they hear you sleep?
Well, we're here to help you out. Sometimes I snore so bad it gives myself gas. But we're not here to sell you anything on that. No. We're here to help you with your snoring. You know, the first thing we gotta do is get into that nose and see where the problem is. We have to clear out the nasal passage to make sure nothing's obstructing your snoring canal.
That's right.
Now, this is nose hair magnified 5,000 times. This is what moves. We want to get rid of that. Get rid of that.
Sound is of vibrations, and the air going through the nostril hairs at an amazing rate causes that sound. And here at the Nasal Academy, we come up with ways to stop you from doing that.
We are the Nasal Academy, although we're not a military organization.
Now, if the nose hairs are really hanging out your nose at an incredible length, that is not the suggested way to do it.
Now, oh, well, if nothing else works, okay, you're way ahead of me. What Colin does is attach this to his nose. This way we can artificially reproduce the snoring technique. It's not an easy thing to do, but it's something that has to be done. How's that feeling, Cole? Put it back in. To make it really effective, we have to block the other canal. I can feel it coming right out here. Now, this is one of the most important devices in the anti-snoring kit, and Colin's going to explain how it works.
this is, of course, the nose clamp for those giant noses where nothing else can be used. Where can we find a giant nose? Oh!
Okay. Oh, hey, that works good.
But it looks so much better with the yellow thing.
Hey, what's that?
Sometimes there is no method to stop snoring. And as you're looking at your wife or husband, keeping you awake for the 15th time in a row,